Hello students, today we are going to learn subject English standard 2nd topic number 3.5 know the occupations. Occupations means व्यवसाय. बालमित्रांनो, इयत्ता पहिलीच्या वर्गामध्ये आपण काही व्यावसायिकांची ओळख करून घेतलेली आहे. चला तर उजळणी करूया. Who is this? This is a teacher. Who is this? This is a doctor. आणि हे आहेत ड्रायव्हर. This is a tailor. आणि हे आहेत फार्मर. This is a postman. And this is a potter. Potter means कुंभार, जे मातीचे मडके घडवतात. And this is a soldier. Soldier म्हणजे सैनिक. आज नवीन व्यावसायिकांची प्रत्यक्ष ओळख आपले हे विद्यार्थी करून देणार आहेत. चला तर मग.
This is Shitesh. He is a mechanic. He uses screwdriver. He uses spanner. He repairs machines. This is Abdul. He is a carpenter. He uses a saw. He uses a tape measure. He makes things from wood. This is Pranali. She is a manager. She uses a computer. She uses a projector. She works in an office. This is a Kishore. He is a traffic police. He is a wizard. He uses baton. He directs traffic. This is Sia. She is a chef. She works in the kitchen. She uses pots, pans, knives, and spoons. She cooks tasty food. This is Varsha. She is a singer. She uses tanpura to practice. She uses tabla for rhythm. She sings sweet songs.